Thank you for your purchase of Dash Vega Deluxe Tricycle. This tricycle comes with heavy-duty steel base, wide tires, parental handle control, footrest, handrest and rocker. Please follow this instruction video carefully to know how to assemble the product and to know the amazing features of it. We will now assemble this beautiful tricycle by using these parts. You also need a screwdriver with the regular and star shape. First, attach the rear wheels to the main body by using axle rod, rear wheel packing bush. Then insert wheels on both sides and lock the same with side washer and pin and cover it with wheel cap. Next is to place front wheel to the main body by attaching the front handle to the main body. Make sure to lock the handle pin with the help of handle pin lock. In next step, put two AA batteries to the musical head and place the same to the handle with the help of provided plastic screw. Place front mudguard to the handle and lock it with provided screws. Now place backrest and lock the same with provided screws. It's time to assemble parental handle control, for which please insert fluid pipe in the back of the body and lock it with auto pin lock. Then place movement rod and lock it at back with provided nut. At last, place parental handle to the back of the body and adjust the height as per your comfort. Now place canopy to the backrest and lock the same. For finishing touch, place rear basket and lock it with provided screws. The last step is to place rocker rod to the main body. With this, your tricycle is easily converted to a rocker. You can also place the rocker to the parental handle as per your requirement. Your Dash Vega Deluxe Tricycle is now ready to use. Dash Ride, Kids Pride.